What's up? Good morning, everybody. Me and Bryn.
What's up?
We are waking up at the Yosemite Village parking lot because today is actually a big day. Other than Half Dome, we're about to be doing most popular hike. Let me come over here. Bang. So if you can see that, there's a waterfall, and we're gonna be going literally right there on the upper falls. It is a very strenuous hike. It is 6 miles with 3,000 feet of elevation gain. So you're basically getting 1,000 feet of elevation gain per mile. So it's gonna be nuts. You know me, I'm used to these conditions because I'm a straight up dog. But Bryn, this is her first big hike. Bryn, are you excited?
I'm excited.
Yeah. So this is not where we're gonna be starting it from. There's the actual parking lot closer to it. So that's gonna give us a better spot. But yeah, I am really excited. So without further ado, let's just get to the trailhead parking lot. Yeah. Just made it to the parking lot. Yeah. I'm about to tap it with Starbucks for some quick breakfast before the hike. And Bryn's gonna eat something here. Yeah. Baking good is secured. Now it's time to get to the van and get ready for the hike. Yeah. Me and Bryn are ready to go. Yeah. Time to start the hike. Me and Bryn finally made it to Upper Yosemite Falls, the tallest waterfall in North America. Got a good view right here. I think we're gonna tap in down by the river. Yeah. So me and Bryn finally found somewhere to post up, put our feet in the water, rehydrate, and eat some snacks right on the fall. What did you think about the hike up?
It was the hardest thing I've ever done.
Yeah.
But it was worth it.
Yeah, definitely a hard hike, but definitely worth it. Now we're about to tap in with some snacks. Yeah. Me and Bryn were able to soak in all the views. Now it's time for one last look. We're gonna do a last look of the falls and the view of the valley. So yeah, let's go. Made a quick pit stop at the van, changed our clothes. Now we're gonna go to the lower falls and tap in with a cold plunge. Yeah. So now that we're walking to lower falls, we have some time to reflect on the hike we just did. Upper falls, which is all the way over there. Man, that was a difficult hike. My legs are beat and I'm ready to tap in with this cold plunge at the lower falls. Bryn, take it away. How was it?
That was the hardest thing I've ever done.
Was it worth it?
It was worth it, yeah, but I wouldn't do it all the time.
Well, you heard it here first, man. That was a really hard hike. So we did.
Holy.
Bam. And right now we're doing this. So we were.
All the way up here.
Oh my God. Now that was a cold plunge. It's like freaking 30 something degrees in there. It doesn't look like it, but the grease is real. I had to bring my Myrtle Beach sweatshirt. I prepared for this moment. I forgot to mention we came here yesterday. So I think that's what we're gonna do. I think we're gonna make this like a daily thing. Cold plunge every day. Get your mind right.
And your nervous system. It's good for your nervous system.
But all my stuff, my glasses, phone, all of it's in my bag. And right now we're in a pretty compromised area. Showing the surrounding area.
Oh, my stuff.
Literally surrounded by water, so I'm just gonna try to get out of here before putting all my glasses and stuff on. But yeah, man, I definitely recommend this. Take the opportunity while you have them and jump in that lake. But now we're gonna get some food and I'll see you guys there. So after a long, exhausting day on trail full of activities and just fun stuff, me and Bryn are finally tapping into dinner at Old Reliable Base Camp Eatery. So I tapped in with that personal pepperoni pizza. And Bryn, what did you tap in with?
Chicken pesto sandwich.
Oh my God. We're about to smash it and we'll let you know how it is. Just finished up with dinner. And honestly, the personal pizza was kind of mid. It kind of hurts me to say that because I really mess with the Base Camp Eatery. It always does me good. But Bryn, what did you think?
My sandwich, bomb.
Was it bussin'?
It was bussin', dude.
Was it bussin'?
It was so good, man.
Now that much needed dinner is done, we're about to head to the van and just chill out because I am absolutely exhausted. Bryn, can you second that?
No, I mean, I feel good. I'm tired, definitely, but...
Oh.
I'm definitely tired, but I feel good after I eat.
See, I'm a true gentleman. Everybody, I gave my trekking poles to Miss Bryn so she wouldn't have to deal with this. So my legs are going up, no poles, coming down, no poles. So I'm gonna have to, you know, walk it off a little bit. But no, I can't make excuses because I'm a professional. You know, she's, you know, I don't know.
I'm a beginner, okay?
Okay. But time to get to the van. Just now made it back to the van, and after discussing it with my counterpart Bryn, we decided to pull up to the OG parking sleeping spot for the sunset because it has the best view because the sun sets right down in the valley. Yeah. Hopefully there's a parking spot there, and hopefully we could just end this running around and just be able to post up. So that's what we're gonna do. Time to get to the spot.
Yeah.
Yeah. So me and Bryn finally made it to one of the best sunset viewing spots in the whole valley. Yeah, right between El Capitan and I don't know. Yeah, but now that we're here, I'm gonna leave you guys the beautiful time lapse of the sunset.
Let's go.
So the sun is officially setting, and that means another day in van life complete, but we have a huge surprise. Bryn, congratulations!
Half dome.
Yeah, so that means that we will be doing Half Dome in the next video you guys see. It's gonna be the best video you guys I've ever seen on the channel. It's gonna be crazy.
I'm nervous. I'm really nervous. When I saw that, I was like, oh my god.
Yeah, Bryn's actually gonna tap in. Bryn, tell them what are the specs looking like for Half Dome? How many miles?
It's gonna be 17 miles total, okay? A little intimidating. 9 to 12 hours.
What's the elevation gain looking like?
5,000 feet.
Oh, yeah. It's gonna be like harder than the hike we did today, and today's hike was really hard. I know we didn't do a lot of talking, but the views were definitely there, and I had an amazing day. What about you, Bryn?
It was amazing. It was hard.
Would you do it again?
I would definitely do it again. Yeah, it was a beautiful day in Yosemite.
Yeah. You guys definitely have to check this place out for sure. But with that, I'm gonna end the video here. As always, if you enjoyed it, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, make sure to leave them down in the comments below. And until next time, peace.